Okay, so today I'm just going to be showing you how to get to Infinite Campus and how it works and stuff like that. So first off, I already have this down here, but you need to go to the help desk. You should be able to find that pretty easily actually. And it seems it's not working, so I'm just going to type it in because I have it pulled up. Sorry. Here we go. So usually it's going to take you to the home page, but that's okay. Once you're here at the home page, there's going to be this little pop-up box down here. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of it to Parent Portal over here, right here, Parent Portal. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you to this page right here. And then you're going to click Log On to Parent Portal. So then, depending on who you are, it's already going to have Jefferson County Public Schools put in, and either you're a student or a parent. So you're just going to log on with that. I'm a student, so I'm going to log on with student. And then I'm just going to type in my password and everything. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, it's just going to take me to this page. It's really just going to show you everything you have. And some people get easily confused about this part that I'm about to show you. So during our first semester, everything that's in progress is going to be under term 3 as we run on the semester. So everything that came in your first progress report is under term 1. So that's going to be right here. And then everything that you got for your progress report 2 is under term 2. But when your first semester is fully finished, 3 will be final. When it's final, this will be your semester's grade under 3. It'll be under 3. Will be your final semester grade. So I really hope this helped. I mean, there might be some other things that I could incorporate in another video, but could you leave that in our comments, or you could check out our new Google Classroom that we have going on. We do keep notifications very, very low. We try to do it maybe once a week, maybe even once a month once we really get going. We just want to really let you know what's going on around the website and everything and how we can help you out. So thank you for watching the video, and we should see you soon.